Pursuit Physical Therapy with one of our long-standing clients, Elise. They've been working with us for a while, and we just wanted to have a little chat and see how everything's going in their world. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Good. So how long have you been coming to Neal?
I think it's been 3 years.
Awesome. What originally brought you into the clinic?
So I originally had an ovarian cyst, and Darshita specializes in that area. So I originally started seeing Darshita, and then I started seeing both of them to help me with some back pain I had.
Okay, awesome. So what kind of improvements have you noticed since you started coming here?
So many improvements. We work on everything. We've worked on my back, knees, all kinds of things. But I think overall, just improvements in overall health and ability to exercise more and stretch in a better way.
That's fantastic. So what would you tell someone who's thinking about coming in?
I would tell someone that they should definitely consider it because this group is really great. And I've been really fortunate to find this group when I needed help with my own health, and I recommend it to anyone who needs any sort of help.
That's awesome. Well, we really appreciate your business and watching the journey of your recovery here. So just thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. We really appreciate chatting with you today, and it's been awesome having you here. So
Thank you so much.
we'll see you next time.
See you next time.